Good morning, dears. Today I am going to tell about the important organ, that is a heart. What is the importance of our heart in the body? We all know what is the heart, where it is situated, and how it functions, and how much it is important for our body. Heart is a muscular organ which is just like a closed fist kept over the left side of your body. It is normally said that heart is around 99%. This heart is to our left side of the body, and close fist, and here you will find with the closed fist like this. Here it is placed. Muscular organ made of muscles and has 3 layers. One, epicardium, myocardium, endocardium. 3 layers. And our heart has 4 chambers, 2 atria and 2 ventricles. It is a brief anatomy I told you. Now comes to the physiology and how it is important organ for our body. My dear friends, our heart beats 1 lakh times in 24 hours and pushing 5,000 gallons of blood through our body in every 24 hours. It delivers oxygenated blood to all over the body, and deoxygenated blood and deoxygenated blood to the lungs. And how? See, when the venous returns to the right side of the heart, right atria and right ventricle is full of your deoxygenated blood, and through the contraction and relaxation, so deoxygenated blood goes to the lungs through pulmonary artery of the heart, and there what happens? This oxygenated blood inside the lungs delivers the carbon dioxide to the outside and gain the oxygen. Then that means oxygen is gained and carbon dioxide is released. This process is completed into the lungs. Then after the exchanging of gases, carbon dioxide is released and oxygen is gained into the lungs, and then through the pulmonary veins it opens into the left atrium and from there left ventricle, and then again goes to the whole body, and from the whole body deoxygenated blood comes to the right side of the lungs through the venous returns. So I hope you could understand how the blood, oxygenated blood, is supplied to whole body tissues, and how deoxygenated blood collected from the whole body and how it is sent to the lungs for the purification of blood, rather we can say exchanging of gases, means deoxygenated blood which is more concentrated by the carbon dioxide and less oxygen. So it goes to the lungs, and from the lungs the more concentration carbon dioxide gas is released in the lungs, and oxygen is gained into the blood, and then concentration of oxygen becomes more, and then it returns to the left side of the heart, and oxygenated blood supplied to the whole body. We have the 4 chamber. Human body, heart is having 4 chamber, 2 ventricles and 2 atrium. Here oxygenated blood comes to the left side of the body of heart, and through the greater aorta it supplies to the body, and then comes through the venous return through superior vena cava and inferior vena cava. It collects into the right side of the heart, and through that is right ventricle and right atrium, it goes through the pulmonary artery and goes to the lungs. Then like this process, after purification through the pulmonary arteries comes to the left side of the heart, and from the left side of the heart goes to all the body parts through the greater aorta. So this process is going on 7 into 24 hours. So I told you 1 lakh times heart beats in 24 hours, and around 5,000 gallons of blood is pumped through the heart to all the body tissues. So I hope this is the brief I have given about the heart, and in biological term, heart is called cardia. Cardiac muscles are there. So because of cardiac muscles are there, so heart is known as cardiac in biological term. Now, why I am telling heart should be healthy? Because this is the muscular organ, and there is nothing except the muscle, just like a bag, and filled with the blood. So when the contraction like this, then is squeezed from the upper part, that is right ventricle, right atrium, to the lower part, left ventricle and left auricle. Then when it contracts, then pumps through tricuspid valve and dicuspid valve. So these functions occur. We have the tricuspid valve and dicuspid valve. They function through the SA node and AV node. We have so when contraction and relaxation, you can listen the sound through the stethoscope. If you put a stethoscope over the left side of your heart, you can find low, down, low, down, low, down. Means contraction and relaxation of heart. You can find out through the stethoscope. Heartbeats. So heartbeats 60 to 72 beats per minute, we can say. This is the normal rate. And this heartbeats increases when you go for exercises, when you go for running. So heartbeats can be increased and decreased sometime also. Then condition differs. Now, how we can prevent the heart attack? Why the heart attack or brain stroke? How it is happening? I will tell you. There is one substance in body. Liver generates the cholesterol. Liver generates cholesterol, and what is the use of cholesterol? I will tell you. Cholesterol, body uses cholesterol to make hormones and vitamin D and supports digestion. So cholesterol, which is generated by your heart, your liver, so this cholesterol is required for the making hormones, making vitamin D, and for helping the digestion. Why cholesterol has come into the heart chapter? I will tell you. This cholesterol plays a big role for the heart attack. Cholesterol is of two types. One is high density lipoprotein. Another is low density lipoprotein. High density lipoprotein is known as good cholesterol because this removes the HDL removes the waste products from the body, and LDL, low density lipids or low density lipoprotein, is known as bad cholesterol. Why it is known as bad cholesterol? Because this LDL start depositing into the arteries, and in the lumen of arteries both the side is deposits, and then the narrowing of arteries occur. One thing. Secondly, if it deposits, LDL deposits into the coronary arteries or heart arteries, then what happens? It makes the clot, and this clot plays a big role, and this condition is known as atherosclerosis. Atherosclerosis, that is deposition of cholesterol inside the arteries, inside the lumen of the arteries, and narrowing the gap into the arteries. And this clot, when breaks out, then it blocks the artery, whether coronary artery, whether the brain arteries. If this clot breaks and blocks the coronary artery, here is the heart attack. Here is the heart attack. Then what happens? The arteries are break down. Then this arteries either blocked or so when the coronary artery is blocked, this clot in atherosclerosis condition, LDL deposition inside the arteries, especially in the coronary artery, and when the clot breaks up, then blocks the artery, then how? When there is no supply of blood to the muscular organ heart, then heart is stopped functioning. This is the heart attack. And when the same situation occurs inside the brain arteries, clotting, then breaks the clots, then block the arteries in the brain, then brain attack, that is stroke, brain strokes occur. And this is a very dangerous situation. When coronary arteries are blocked, so heart attacks comes and patient dies. So avoid that. What we should do? One has to go for blood cholesterol testing. We should go for blood cholesterol testing for HDL and LDL. So I will tell you that how much quantity of LDL is, we can say, normal value, and LDL normal value, triglycerides normal value. So LDL lower this number is better. What is the LDL? Lower, if we find the lower number, that means it is better. It should not be more than 130 mg per dl. If you do not have heart disease, blood vessel disease, or diabetes, then it should not be more than 100 mg per dl. But up to 130 mg per dl we can consider it is good. But if it is more than that, then it is a danger point. So LDL is very dangerous. And HDL, the higher the number is better. So it should be at least higher than 55 mg per dl for female, and more than, it should be higher than 45 mg per dl for male. Then we can say patient is normal value of LDL and HDL I have told you. So that is why in a year, if you are above 40 years of age, then in every year we should go for cholesterol testing, one thing. Another is ECG plain testing. So if there is any abnormality in the heart, we can find out. through the ECG. What is ECG? Electronics cardiography. That graphs will come and the cardiologist will tell, the doctor will tell what is the position of your heart. And cholesterol position, cholesterol values, as HDL value and LDL value will tell the cholesterol level. And from the cholesterol level also you can find how much your brain and heart is healthy. So now I will summarize the position of the heart. Our heart is very important organ in our body, which is a muscular organ made of cardiac muscles having 3 layers: epicardium, myocardium, endocardium, 4 chambers, 2 arteria and 2 ventricles, comprises with the superior vena cava, inferior vena cava, pulmonary artery, pulmonary veins, then greater aorta and lungs. Lungs also they contribute for the purification of blood, because deoxygenated blood goes to the lungs and the carbon dioxide gas exchange there. The carbon dioxide is released and oxygen is gained, and after blood purification from the lungs it comes to the heart, and like this oxygenated blood 7 into 24 hours is supplied to whole body tissue and we feel healthy. And like this I have told you the brief about our important organ heart, brief anatomy, brief physiology, and what's the role of cholesterol in your heart conditions, your diabetic conditions, your brain conditions. So if your LDL is lower than 130 mg per dl, normally it should be lower than 100 mg per dl. We can say normal, LDL is normal. If it is 55 mg, higher than the 55 mg per dl in females and higher than the 45 mg per dl HDL, we can say we are normal. So I advise, as a physiotherapist, doctor physiotherapist, I advise every citizen of India, we should go for normal routine checking of your heart position, your cholesterol position, because if you say the actual causes of death in the American people, around 31% of the deaths we can find through the heart diseases. So we should make a healthy India, wealthy India. So I wish you everybody to be a part of healthy India and wealthy India. Till then, goodbye. If you like this channel, please do subscribe, share it, and don't forget to press bell icon. Thank you very much being with me. Thank you very much with me.